How to identify plastics and polymers. Have you ever wondered how to tell different types of plastics and polymers apart? It might seem tricky at first, but with the right methods, you can easily identify them. Let's break it down step by step. Start with a basic visual and physical inspection. Look at the color and transparency of the polymer. Is it clear, translucent, or opaque? Also, consider its form. Is it a film, fiber, or molded part? Touch the sample to feel its flexibility or brittleness. You can even cut it with a sharp knife to gauge its hardness and toughness. These simple observations can help narrow down the options quickly. Next, let's talk about density testing. You can immerse the plastic in liquids with known densities. Does it float or sink? For example, polyethylene is less dense and will float in water, while polyvinyl chloride will sink. This is a quick way to gather information about the polymer type. Now, consider solubility testing. Expose the polymer to different solvents like acetone or toluene. Some polymers will dissolve or swell in certain solvents. This can provide clues about their chemical nature. The principle here is that polymers dissolve in solvents that have similar molecular interactions. Another method is the burning test. Carefully observe the flame color, smell, smoke, and residue when burning the polymer. For instance, polystyrene produces black smoke and a styrene odor, while polyethylene burns cleanly with a paraffin-like smell. Always take safety precautions when conducting this test. For more precise identification, you can use microscopic techniques. Polarized light microscopy or scanning electron microscopy can reveal surface and structural details. Advanced methods like pyrolysis gas chromatography, mass spectrometry, can thermally decompose the polymer and analyze the fragments, giving you a unique chemical fingerprint of the polymer type. It's also important to understand thermoplastic versus thermosetting behavior. Thermoplastics soften when heated and can be reshaped, while thermosets harden permanently after curing. You can apply a heated metal tip to the sample to help distinguish between these types. Simple scratch tests can also be useful. Use your fingernail or a knife to scratch the surface. This can indicate hardness and help differentiate between softer and harder plastics. For example, polyethylene scratches easily, while harder plastics do not. Identifying the correct polymer type is vital when considering product failure and mechanical breakdowns. Different plastics react differently to stress, temperature, and chemicals. Misidentifying a polymer can lead to improper use and premature failure. Be aware that polymer blends and copolymers can complicate identification. These materials combine properties of multiple polymers, which may requiring advanced chemical analysis or separation by solubility. In summary, identifying plastics and polymers involves a series of tests from simple physical observations to advanced chemical analyses. Each step reveals important information about the material's composition and behavior, which can help explain potential failures or breakdowns in products.